Dr. Ian Whishaw has made a career of changing how science looks at the brain. His work has altered the way we think about how we think. In the 1970s, Dr. Whishaw defied conventional wisdom by proposing that the brain's function was not to produce our mental states, but our movements. It was controversial at the time, but his research has since changed our understanding of the brain and the way it's studied by scientists. When he arrived at the University of Lethbridge in 1970 to begin his career, he had 12 students and no laboratories or equipment.
The word neurosciences occurred for the first time when a group of people started the Society for Neurosciences. The field really didn't exist before then. There were individual disciplines like psychology and zoology and that were interested in the brain, neurology of course. But neuroscience unified all of these groups of people.
The University of Lethbridge now has a department and building dedicated to the discipline. The Canadian Centre for Behavioural Neuroscience has become a world centre for brain research. All U of L students enrolled in liberal arts take a course on the brain, using the textbook co-authored by Dr. Whishaw and longtime colleague Dr. Brian Kolb. Dr. Whishaw has gotten the nickname the Rat Whisperer because he's a leading authority on laboratory rat behaviour. Rats appear to be very different from humans, but Dr. Whishaw has been able to show that rats are in fact superb models for studying the human condition. Dr. Whishaw continues to study human hand movements in relation to Parkinson's disease. His body of brain research now helps about 60,000 Canadians each year. For Dr. Wishaw's research, scholarship, and teaching, the University of Lethbridge bestowed its highest honour on him, the Ingrid Speaker Gold Medal for Research. Dr. Ian Whishaw, a finalist for the ASTech Award for Outstanding Leadership in Alberta Science.